Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Linking your GoDaddy domain to your Wix website is easier than you think. Follow our step-by-step guide to get your custom domain up and running on Wix. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So this video we will need two things. First one is a Wix website, which you can create it by going to create a new site and basically creating it. And second thing is a domain in GoDaddy. Now let me just set up without chat here so we can create our site real quick, just like that. Continue, preparing your dashboard, and there we go. Now we are on GoDaddy, or basically on Wix dashboard of our sites. Once you create your dashboard for the first time, as you can see here, let me just basically show you. Here you have the second option is connect a custom domain. So find your perfect domain and secure it in a few clicks. Now here they are asking you to basically buy a domain from them, but we will figure out how you can basically just use one that you have in GoDaddy. So first of all, in GoDaddy, to get the domain you have to go to GoDaddy and basically type here like the website that you want. Let me just get the English version. Let's go with the United States English. Yep, there it is. Alright, so here type the domain that you want, for example, tutorial for Wix. And here we can buy the domain. So there is .com, there is .net, there is .site, there is many of them. Just get one added to the cart and basically go through the normal process that you go through normally. Just make sure that you do not go without reading these things here. Like for example, here you will see tutorial of like the domain name that you want for 0.01, and you will think that's very good, that's a cheap domain, like it's free. But guys, look at here, first year only for this amount of money, but second and third year, but it is like for with a 3 years term. So your card will not be removed from the site, it will be stuck within the site. It will take the money from your bank account after 3 years and 2 years of using this website. So they will cut you like $22 every year for the second and the third year. So put that in mind. Now once you get your domain and everything is good, go to your dashboard, go to your product, and here normally you will be finding your products like domains, etc. So let me just accept this real quick, and as you can see here, this is the domain right here. So now what I'm gonna do is pretty easy. Let's go back to Wix and type the domain right here. Let's copy this, paste it over here, click on let's go, and we are going to go now to the second step. Now GoDaddy are gonna check if this website is available or not. Now normally it is not available since it is mine. So as you can see, Titan Ltd.store is taken. Is it yours? Yes, I own this domain. So here, as you can see, you have to upgrade your site with a premium plan to connect your domain. Now let's go and upgrade it, and as you can see, this is something that you will have to take care of, since you cannot add a domain, a custom domain, or basically even like a domain that you bought from Wix for free in here. You have to always buy the premium plan. So the premium plan that you can go for, the cheapest one is basically the light one. It is $7, in which allow you to add a free domain for 1 year. It will allow you, of course, to add the domain, and of course you can get with it a free domain. If you want to buy a domain from Wix, you can also buy it from there. Here let me just show you free domain. Let's go down here. Yeah, here it is. So custom domain is in all of them, so you can go for light is pretty good. So the next thing is to go to manage, and from here you will open basically like the dashboard of your domain. Here if you click, you will find every single domain that you have. So what I'm gonna do is click on domain, and here you will find the manage DNS. So normally now what you will have to do is to copy the DNS that Wix will give you. It will give you a couple of DNS records. So here we can go and here, as you can see, let me just go for actions. Let me just wait. Okay, so normally here you will have like an overview, like stuff like that here, premium DNS, hostname, DS records, and basically what you'll have to do is to add new records. So now we can't display your DNS information because your name server aren't managed by us. Manage your DNS here by changing your name servers. So let me just go to the name servers, go to the name servers and click on save, and by clicking on continue updating name servers, let me just continue. And once has been successful, my request is being processed. So once my request is processed and everything is good, you will find here the DNS record. Yep, here it is. So now you simply have to remove every one of these and delete them, as you can see. And you will have a few of them that cannot be deleted. That's no problem. So now it works normally when you get the premium plan. They will give you a couple of DNS records. The DNS records are going to be either an A4, like an A4 DNS record, which is basically an IP. So you have to put here the value, the name, simply just put @ and do not change this. And basically the second is a CNAME. So you'll have a CNAME, they will give you a name for it and the value. Paste them both, save them. You might have multiple ones, so make sure to copy all of them. And basically once you have done that, click on save and you will be good to go. So here it is very simple. So it's simply just copy paste the DNS records that Wix will give to you. So it's very easy, nothing much complicated about that. It's very simple, and there is also a possibility that you might have to add a text, which is simply by putting values. You can even put they might even ask you some time to import the text into your cPanel. So in case you had a cPanel, sometimes the importation of the text just as DNS records will not work. So you can simply just go to your cPanel in case you had one and go there and put the text folder inside of your cPanel files and you will be good to go. So these are the main things, and after you do so, make sure that you waste a couple of minutes. Make sure to delete the cookies of your site because sometimes it will not load to you right after. So you have to wait after a few minutes so the records are going to be updated, going through the process and loads, etc. Between GoDaddy and Wix, and simply just like that you will have your website up and running with your new domain that you bought from GoDaddy. And yeah guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave a like and to subscribe to our channel. If you did, make sure also to leave a comment talking about the future topics that you want us to talk about. And yeah guys, that was it. See you guys in the next tutorial. Bye bye.